Hey guys, this is Norman over with SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to talk about setting the chuff rate on your Blunami decoders. So let's get started. Alrighty, so in front of me here I have a K27 from Blackstone Models that we have fitted with a Blue 2200 decoder. Now, right now, if I were to run this locomotive, you can see that the chuff rate is very, very fast for what it's supposed to be. Now, all of our Tsunami 2, Econami, and Blunami products use a method of setting the chuff by which they are actually able to use the back EMF from the motor to create a synchronized chuff. Effectively, what's happening is the decoder is reading the back EMF from the motor, and it is able to use that to determine when the motor has finished a rotation. So when we set the chuff rate, what we're actually telling the decoder is how many revolutions of the motor should occur before it produces a chuff. And with this, we're actually able to get an effect very similar to what a motor tachometer would do without ever needing to fit a motor tachometer or, in fact, a cam. So we're able to get a synchronized chuff without the cam, like so. As you can see, the drivers are slowing down, and the chuff rate is slowing down with them. However, as we noted earlier, the chuff rate on this locomotive is very fast. So, if I head into settings here, go to sound settings, and under main sounds, we will see something called engine exhaust control. Now, and this is how we're going to adjust our chuff rate. So, what we'll want to do is get the locomotive running at a nominal speed, usually about speed step 5 to 10 is good for this. In this case, we're going to use 4. And if we now head back into the main sounds and go to the exhaust control, I can see the chuff rate is around double what it needs to be. So let's set this to 64. And you can see that's a lot closer to what it actually would be with the 4 chuffs per revolution. But it's still just a touch fast. So we can actually use this slider and knock it down a little bit more. And in this case, yep, looks like the value of 58 I just selected is actually just about right for this locomotive. So, on another locomotive, however, it may not be 58. It'll probably be a different value because every locomotive has a different drivetrain, a different motor, so you're going to have to tune that per locomotive. But it's basically just going in and doing guess and check until you get it just right at 4 beats a revolution. So guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below or send us an email at support@soundtraxx.com. You can also check out our user's guides where we detail a bit more in depth on exactly how the chuff rate system works and how you would set it up. Don't forget to like, comment, ring the bell, subscribe so you get notified the next time we upload more informational videos like this. Thanks for watching.